The Galaxy S24 series is finally getting one of its most awaited upgrades. Samsung has started rolling out the One UI 8 update based on Android 16 just a couple of days ago. The update was released in South Korea, and now it's reaching international users. Starting with the UK, if everything goes according to Samsung's release schedule, the update should spread to more regions around the world before the end of this week. At this stage, the update seems to be arriving first for those who were part of the One UI 8 beta program. If you joined the beta, you're in luck because you might already be seeing the notification on your Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, or S24 Ultra. But don't worry if you weren't a beta tester. Samsung usually begins with beta users and then expands the rollout to everyone else, based on how the company has handled updates in the past. The wider release should not take too long, although for some markets, it could stretch into early October. Now, if you're wondering how you can install the update, the process is simple. Just head into the Settings app on your Galaxy S24, scroll down to Software Update, and tap Download and Install. Once the update is available for your region, it will begin downloading automatically. If you want the smoothest experience while updating, it's always a good idea to back up your important data. Make sure your phone has enough storage space, and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network before starting the process. A little preparation ensures the update goes through without any issues. So, what exactly does One UI 8 bring to the table, and why should you be excited? This new version of Samsung's software is based on Android 16, which means not only visual changes, but also smarter features, more AI integration, and deeper personalization options. Samsung has focused on making the user interface feel smoother and more modern, while also improving performance and battery management. If you've been using One UI 7, the difference will be noticeable. From redesigned system icons and improved multitasking tools to new lock screen customization options and AI-driven features, One UI 8 is designed to give the Galaxy S24 lineup a fresh new feel. There's also a greater focus on privacy and security, with improved controls for app permissions and background activity. This ensures that you not only get a stylish interface, but also better protection for your personal data. Another key area where Samsung has worked hard is making the experience consistent across its ecosystem. If you own other Galaxy products like tablets, watches, or even SmartThings devices, One UI 8 brings better synchronization and more connected experiences. Features like AI Home, which Samsung recently announced in India, are a big part of this vision. The idea is to create a more seamless smart home environment, with your Galaxy phone acting as the hub. For those who are curious about how One UI 8 stacks up against One UI 7, Samsung has even released comparisons to highlight everything new. Videos and breakdowns show improvements in animations, settings, navigation, and system apps. It's not just about cosmetic tweaks. Samsung wants One UI 8 to feel like a significant upgrade, not just a routine update. Now, if you're using an older Galaxy device and wondering if you're on the list for this update, the best way to check is through the Samsung Members app. Open the app, head to the Notices section, and you should find the official schedule for your device. Keep in mind, though, that availability can vary depending on your country and carrier. Some markets might see the rollout a little later than others. It's worth noting that updates like these are a big deal because they extend the life of your device. Instead of feeling the need to upgrade your hardware every year, Samsung's software support gives your existing phone new features and capabilities. The Galaxy S22 Ultra, for example, played a huge role in proving how powerful these updates can be in keeping older models relevant. And now, with the Galaxy S24 series, One UI 8 is set to do the same. So, to sum it up, Samsung is finally pushing the One UI 8 update to the Galaxy S24 lineup globally, starting with beta users in South Korea and the UK, and expanding quickly to more regions. The update is based on Android 16 and brings smarter features, new designs, stronger security, and better ecosystem integration. If you own a Galaxy S24 model, make sure to check your software update menu regularly over the next few days or weeks, because chances are your phone will soon be eligible for the download. The transition from One UI 7 to One UI 8 marks a new step in Samsung's software journey, and it's exciting to see how the company continues to refine the Galaxy experience with each major update. Whether you're after performance improvements, design changes, or deeper AI integration, this update has something for everyone.